So it's been now 3 months since I bought Tineco A11 Hero model, and it was time to give some review about it. So in this video we're gonna be talking about the vacuum cleaner itself, about accessories, and some pros and cons. So if you're looking for unboxing, I will place the link for unboxing 3 months before when I bought it. You can just watch the unboxing and what comes in the box. So the link is below. Alright, so let's talk about the vacuum cleaner itself and the general use. I'm very actually delighted with the use of that vacuum cleaner. It's quite nice. It's very light when you actually vacuum cleaning. If you have some very heavy one, you will be getting tired. So with this one, as you can see, it is very light. You can just hold it with one finger. So it is very nice. And the battery life. So the battery life is quite good. I never run out of the battery. And still, if you will run out of battery, it comes with the 2 batteries. It is only that model A11 comes, not the A11 or not the A10 model. Okay, so the other thing is that it's very easy to clean. So sometimes once in a month I'm just taking the chamber off, and taking the chamber off is very easy to just pressing the button here and it comes off, and then you can just wash it with even with the cold water and it will be clean. Okay, and it comes, as you can see, that you got HEPA filter here, which you have to clean each 3 months. So I've cleaned that HEPA filter today, so it's, as you can see, it looks still clean. And then I got the dust filter, which is beneath here, and we will be also talking about how to clean that one. Okay, so I'm still happy with that one. Let's talk about accessories. The first accessories which comes with that cordless vacuum cleaner is the bracket, which you can store all your accessories. So you can see it here on my left side. Yeah, so on my left side that I've placed my bracket, the bracket of not my head bracket, but the bracket of the Tineco on the small electricity room. And then I placed almost all the accessories on it, so you can just see it from here. And the positive thing, the second positive thing about that bracket is that it will charge the battery and also the vacuum cleaner. It can also charge both of them on the same time. So as you can see, that both of them charging. Okay, and all the accessories are also placed beneath and next vacuum cleaner as well. It's quite good. Alright, so let's talk, now we talk about the rest of accessories. One of the things that I am using most is actually the soft brush, the small soft brush. Okay, so this one, with this one you can just clean your sofa, which I'm doing mostly. You can see it on the video. So, and also if you drop something on the floor, you don't need to put the LED brush. You can just use that small brush as well. Okay, the next thing actually that I'm using quite a lot is actually 2-in-1 dust brush. So that is the one you can clean with that one. What I'm actually using for is actually for cleaning my laptop, and also, as you can see, that I got here a mechanical keyboard. So I'm using that one to clean my keyboard and my laptop. So just it's very easy, just place them here and then make sure that the brush is out, and then you can just clean your keyboard. And as you can see, that it's click and it's removed, click, it's put back. Okay, the next one is actually, if I'm not wrong, it is ceramic tool. So it is actually for cleaning the corner of sofas, as we all know that sometimes the kids can drop the things on the side of the sides of the sofas, and then you can just use that one to clean them. So you can just see it on the video as well, here on the corner. It's very easy to clean. Alright, I had also received some questions about how to use the filter cleaning tool. So people just tried it, and you say that the filter itself is not rotating. So that is how it should actually rotate and clean the filter. So with this vacuum cleaner, or cordless vacuum cleaner, you're getting 2 filters. So one of them comes all standard inside the vacuum cleaner itself, and one of them comes inside the tool itself. So I got one here, so I will show you guys the one which is inside, how to clean that. So the first thing that you have to do, you need to put the dirty filter which you want to clean it. So you should just place it here inside, close the lid, place the filter here, and then you need to press the power button, and you need to lock it, because you don't want to actually hold it, so you just need to press it and then lock it. Okay, and then the next thing that you have to do is press the max button. So it's the max power of this vacuum cleaner, and then what you need to do, that you need to rotate the filter. Okay, as you can see here, the filter actually rotating now. So when you're pressing the power button, the max button, then you have to rotate from here. You can just see it here that you have to rotate it. All right, so that's how it will clean the filter. Okay, and then this filter you can also wash it as well. You can just wash it with cold water as well, so you don't need the hot water for cleaning that one. Alright, so let's talk about the big LED brush, the hard brush. Alright, so okay, I got the hard brush over here. So that is the good thing about this brush is that even in the dark you can use that one. And it just, as you can see, it's amazing color. I just love it. And as usual, as always, very easy to click it and then clean it. Okay, so that was actually about the accessories, and now let's talk about pros and cons. Okay, so pros of this device is actually more than the cons of this device. Okay, so the pro thing is that this vacuum cleaner comes with 2 batteries, so you never actually run out of the power. The sucking power of this vacuum cleaner is quite good. So it can deeply clean your carpets, your hard floors. Until today I had no issues with that. Okay, and then it's very easy to clean. So once you see that the chamber is full, or each time I'm self cleaning the chamber each time that I've cleaned the house, and then I'm just opening the chamber and just emptying it. Okay, the tools, as I mentioned before, that it comes with a lot of accessories, with the bracket that stores all the accessories. That is the pro things. The con thing. Let's talk also about the con things. There's like 2 things that I didn't like about that vacuum cleaner. The first thing is actually both of them actually is related to that brush. So that LED art brush is actually make a lot of noise. So the vacuum cleaner itself don't make a lot of noise. So let's you can will show you guys that it's not making a lot of noise. So let's listen to it. So that is the noise of the vacuum cleaner itself. But when you're putting the LED art brush, which is motorized, because that brush has the motor here inside. So let's show you guys. It's got some motor inside here that actually rotates that brush. That motor actually makes more noise than a vacuum cleaner itself. So you can just listen to it now. So you can see that brush makes a lot of noise. So I will maybe suggest to have one brush without motorized, so it won't make a lot of noise. Alright, so let's take out, because the second thing which I'm talking about is also related to that brush. Okay, so some people have maybe some very expensive rugs, like Persian rugs, Afghani rugs, or Turkish rugs. They are quite expensive, and then when you're using actually motorized brush like that one, especially on the corners, they can actually damage your carpet, or actually sorry, your rug. And so it is good actually for hard floors, for carpets, but when it comes to rugs, I will not suggest people to use especially that on the corner. So you should be very careful when you are using that motorized brush on the corners of your rug. Because of the power of that brush, it actually damaging the corners of your rug. I've already experienced that self, so I'm in a process. I've ordered actually a soft brush, another brush like that, but it is not motorized. So I've ordered another one from Tineco website, which should arrive this week. So that's actually basically the two cons of that device self. So, and both of them is actually related to that hard brush of Tineco. So if engineers of Tineco watching this video, that's my suggestion, that you should actually put this the another brush which is not motorized standard in the box of that with Tineco vacuum cleaners. So guys, that was so far my video and my review about Tineco A11 Hero. So if you like, please press or click on the like button, share, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the ring bell button for future videos. And the future video will be, of course, if you guys have noticed, it will be about these two monitors. They are actually LG gaming monitors, so stay tuned for that. Once again, thanks for watching this video.